Revenue tells part of the story, but to really understand performance, you need to know what it costs to deliver each sale. The cost of goods report helps you see the relationship between what you sell and what it costs your business, so you can understand margins and make smarter decisions. In this video, you'll learn where to find the cost of goods report, how to read the key data, and how to use it to assess true profitability. All reports in Roller live inside Venue Manager. From Venue Manager, go to Reports, then All Reports, and select Cost of Goods. This report focuses on stock products only, showing both sales and their associated costs. For this report to return accurate data, cost of goods must be set up for each variation of your stock items. Each row in this report represents a stock product sold during your selected date range, along with the cost tied to those sales. You'll see quantity sold, funds received, unit cost of goods, and total cost of goods. This lets you compare sales value directly against cost. Start by setting your date range so the report matches the period you're reviewing for sales or financial performance. You can also filter by product, category, or sales channel to focus on specific areas of your business. This is especially useful if you're reviewing food, beverage, or retail items separately. As you review the report, focus on how funds received compare to total cost of goods. Products with strong sales but high costs may have thinner margins than expected. Products with lower sales but strong margins may be contributing more profit overall. This is where the report helps shift the conversation from revenue to profitability. These insights support real decisions. You might review pricing for low-margin items, adjust your product mix to favor stronger performers, or rethink inventory levels for stock that isn't delivering value. Reviewing the cost of goods report alongside sales reports gives you a more complete picture of performance. You've just learned how to use the cost of goods report to compare sales and costs and understand true product profitability. You're ready to use margin insights to make more confident decisions about pricing, products, and inventory.